one code. Now actually we want to have a discussion of Jane. Yeah, sure. And identify for the recorded videos, right? And right now, if you still want to check the video, you can scan the QR code. And so you can look at cell capacity, frequency, reuse, and how to form a class. Because later we will have this discussion, good discussion 5 for you. Maybe you have a question, oh, okay, for all the problems here, oh, I don't know how to solve it. Sure, so that's why I asked you to check the videos there. So you can take a picture of this and allow you to have 5 minutes to check possibly those videos and try to find how to have the answer for problem 1 about the distance calculation, okay, how to have the distance calculation. And the second one, we have a class size, for example, 4, 7, and 30, how to determine a pattern of the cluster. And also, to list the possible values of class size regarding the cell reuse pattern from integer 1 to 27. So, you can check these. Alright, so if necessary, you can check the YouTube channel again. Can I have 5 minutes first to check the video? If you never check those videos. Actually here, the free classroom, the playlist of the free classroom, so you need to check cell capacity and cluster and frequency reuse. Also the procedure to determine the pattern of the class. Alright, so you can check it out. So you can read the video clips first. Actually, we have these. Entry to the free classroom. Of course, we ask you to check the columns here. Actually, the problem can be shown on pattern. So here we have the pattern. So this is the pattern. Alright, so if you have the answer and you can pause out these. If you cannot finish this question, then due date is set to 4 p.m. days, okay? 4 p.m. Alright, so so 3 problems. You need to solve the 3 problems. Yeah, all the problems. We always ask you to have the solution to all problems. And TA will check the answers for the 3 problems as well. QR code? Oh, you can check line group. Identify for the hyperlink there. The hyperlink, we have 2 hyperlinks. This is the first one. So any question else? And now we have the previous group discussion. So after finishing this activity, I will get back to the previous one to ask you to have the presentation. Next time you finish the answering, so I think you have your answer. Later I can ask you to cover the presentation for that group discussion. Right now, this one. Work on this one first. So let me make sure, after now, we have 3 questions. First question, any idea? Or maybe where you can find the answer. Or maybe what is the formula? Anyone find? Anyone find it? If you never check the video, sure you need to check those videos so that you will know how to have the formula and the answers. Actually, I dedicate all the components in the these.
Because I watched the first and the second part. The second part of it just happened.
Actually, all are included in the these. So you can check some results in the these. Not the past videos. Yeah, the current videos. You see, maybe they are dedicated for the. Yeah, that's true. double line here. But that it is not this is a class size. But we have the single one to have the distance calculation. So you can check. Without the class, you can check my calculation. So you can find the possible formula from the three means. And this one, procedure to determine. So this is the solution, right? To one of the problem. And the previous theory is reuse distance. Oh, okay. Distance. And this one, this is a problem. So
so the reuse distance is the first one? That's the solution for the first question.
maybe you can share another reuse distance somewhere. We have the general distance calculation. So where we have the general distance calculation, but not the Cartesian coordinate. Instead, we have the coordinate with the degree of 60. So you see, here we have the number view. So that's why I'm pretty sure. Just a few of you haven't checked me. So you can check them for sure. For example, let me practice with you. This video. Actually, this is a hint to have a number. See? So you can check those videos. time, but finish the registration for talent checking first. Just mention where to find your answer. So the possible answer could be find my answer on pattern. We have a free problem, you can have the same. Find my answer on pattern. Find my answer on pattern. So then you have 2 minutes to give find my answer on pattern. So my suggestion, possibly you can go through thoroughly the 3 meetings so you can understand what I want to know. But finish these first. So let me make sure group discussion 5. Now finish registration, raise your hands. And here, survey is underway. No, it should be completed. So check, do you submit? If you submit, and then it's okay. So let me match it again. Good discussion 5. Registration finished. Alright, so let me go to the next one. So let me have the heat. Alright, so let me have the heat. First of all, self-capacity. Now the curve problem. So we can go through these quickly. And you can check the videos later. And so we can have the blocking for meeting. We have R&B. R&B blocking for meeting. And also we have a different way. It is not a blocking for meeting. It's a mobility packet delay. So we have R&C for and all of these are contained in the first video clips. So you can check the video. And in fact, the problem focuses on this one. maybe 2, stay here. And reuse distance, mention this. D, reuse distance D. But we do not ask you to have the reuse distance only. We ask you the general distance. So not this one. Not this one. Actually, no, not this one. Not the current D. No. No. So now ask you to apply the form. No. Not this one. Actually, identify for the coordinate with the degree of 60. Actually, related to this. And so that we have a coordinate, for example, 1, 2, 3 is I, and it's J. And then I don't know the distance should be here. I have a term called Dij. And Dij square equal to this. And then multiply UV square. I emphasize you should find positive UV. So you can check the video, can you have the distance calculation? This one is the way to have the general distance calculation, not the previous capital D, no. And also we have the class size this one. You see, IJ here, same. Yes, same. But the IJ here you can define by yourself, and the IJ should be cannot be 0 simultaneously. So 0 and this one should be positive value. If likewise we can have a current 0 and positive value. Oh, they are all positive values. So right now, this one related to the second or maybe the third question, and this one related to the first one. So you should find how to apply this. I mentioned one in the video. Actually, I can have the derivation. So that's it. And actually, about the pattern, I do not use the current way to determine the pattern. I have the third video to identify the starting point, and then try to have the symmetric way to choose the cluster. How to choose a cluster related to a pair? You need to determine a pair first. That's all. So these are the possible hints for you. So later we will check this. And then you have 3 more minutes. If you don't finish it, it doesn't matter. 3 minutes later, we will check this one. Final project, you should have your topic, and you should have a paper, a hyperlink direct to that one. And later I can let it go. Sure, I can let you know this first. This one. The entry, so J, you should scan. So J, can you have the entry of the previous one? J, do you see you have the previous problem? Hyperlink. This is the current problem. Can you see the previous problem? You can ask me, and so that you can have the entry. So two are having. However, you should finish it in our course after the class today. So let me switch from that one to the current one. Oh, Jen, you finished. finish your answer? 1, 2, and 3. Ready? Yeah, sure, good. Sure, allow you to correct if you still have time. Correct or not? I'm not sure. So, later I want to ask you to focus on the problem, this problem. And the problem we should get it done later, not 4 p.m. Because later I will check your topic and get it out for comments. So, this one. Post your topic on the final project and also the paper you found at this moment. So, first one, you should show the topic for your final project. You also have one of the article, right? And where we have that article, you should provide a link to their paper. So, this is the current work. And the current work said to that you have 5 minutes to finish this. And this one, with the highest priority. Right now, you should be and post. So the previous one, 4 p.m. This one, right now, you should get it done. Possible final project. Possibly, as I remember, possibly we can have, let me check the syllabus. Maybe not as I'm doing. As I remember, at most we have 2. Oh, yeah, 2. 2, this time as I do. It can be less than even 3. Even see at most 2 members. Maybe chance. Yeah, sure. 1 to 2. Banana original. It can be a different meaning. 1 to 3. From A and B. Yeah. So about the final project, you can check the syllabus. The team members at most is 2. So right now, if okay, I forget that one. I want to find my team member. Sure, right now you can find your team member, but not the original group, because at most 2 members in the team. And so the 2 of you can share. Oh, okay, I want to form a group. I want to form a team. So you have 2. So then 2 of you can post your topic for sure. Each one needs to have your topic and the paper, even same for that team. Because here, well check is for 2 points. unless you want to work on that topic for yourself. So you can skip this one. Or maybe you can go, okay, myself, so no team member. So let me make sure finish the operation for this one. Yes or no? Or maybe say that you have the feedback to 4 p.m. today. 4 p.m. today for this. All you should mention. Okay, for example, Jay. Jay mentioned my copy, my link. My team member is Doris, right? Doris and Doria. Doria mentioned my copy, my paper link, and my team member is Jay.
How detailed?
Just follow the three items. And here, waiter, Gabriela, okay, put everything, that's fine. You are team, so the topic here, right? Pastors, let me check. Yeah, true, I want to check. Pastors modeling for B2B communication, good. Okay, no problem. So we have a topic here, right? So for Willa and Gabriela, right? And here, Lee and two of you. Yeah, good, finish. So one team finish here. So look at this, if I want to put them together, we then say, oh, okay, we are a team containing 2 members. That's what we are saying. So Jay, if you want to use this one, that's fine as well. One of you try to pause. So the current topic I think is fine. So where the current topic I think is fine. It won't be necessary to change the data set. So after that you can switch back to the previous topic. Okay. Yeah, sure. If yes, then you can follow the pattern, like this pattern to have your topic, link, and your team members.
Okay. We're looking for our reference.
And the wording the same. Well, it's Alex. You can notify me. Oh, here. Single one. So Alex with the routing, multi-radio, that's fine. So okay for this. So here I try to have this one. Let me try. Right? So you see, we have. And Alex same. So Alex finish. No team member. That's fine. So now you have for 5 more minutes. If you don't finish it, then I want to move into the next one. source here. But possibly you try to have the specific one, maybe newest one. And you have a pin here, right? And J, you want for yourself only, right? J, you want for yourself only. So, several codes. Okay, sure. Maybe more details about the code, right? So Jay, you finished, then you can post. And Jen, your name. I forgot your name. Me, you can post it if you have it. You can change it. At least open for the current topic. If you want to have a new topic, sure. Yeah, reason one, that's all. That is the original one. So let me check any others. None. So we still have the possible reply, of course, from Jay, Andrew, and me. Alright, so Andrew, me, and Jay. Later you can post it. That's on the current article starting. Oh, okay, so that's why I can have one like for your post. So now we have more time to actually the end of the class. And then next class we will start from this page. So allow you to have time to get it done. Maybe get it done quickly, or maybe still can work on that before the end. Share. Andrew and Thomas. Good.